All right. Ladies and gentlemen, in the red square, Chainsaw, and in the blue square, Jordan. Red square, you ready? Blue square, you ready? Timer, you ready? Audience, are you ready? Yeah. All right. You know, that's better audience engagement than I've gotten from the past 5 events. That's great. Yeah, let me hear you again. Come on, one more time. Are you ready? There we go. All right. We're going to start this fight in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight. Both robots spin up. Jordan's sending itself for a spin. We're a little dizzy there. Looks like Chainsaw's having a little bit of trouble with that weapon. Are we going to see it come to life?
Cut it out like a...
Oh, it's trying so hard. Jordan capitalizing, taking some shots out of those wheels there. Chainsaw doing a great job of staying squared up. Jordan being very kind and evening out that force for us. And then launching himself across the arena as his opponent with his weapon. That's not... yeah, I'm not sure what was going on there. That was a strategy. Jordan going back into the attack. Nasty shot there. Chainsaw been struggling this whole fight to get their weapon up. It doesn't seem like it's working. Might be having some drive issues now. Jordan relentless going after those wheels. Those foam wheels are not liking that big blade. Jordan inverted now. Oh, some pretty sparks there, my favorite. He's going to try to get around the side. Oh!